Here's something I've learned. Perfection is expensive. Progress is free. The first video won't be amazing, and that's good. It's not supposed to be. Think about it like this. Imagine if babies waited until they could walk perfectly before they even try. Nobody would ever leave the hospital. Failing is part of learning. That's true in life. And even in YouTube, it's the same. You know what's funny? Everybody laughs at beginners until the beginners succeed. Then everybody suddenly, I believed in him. No, you didn't. You called me crazy. You told me to get a real job. Now you're sitting there asking, bro, how do I start? Exactly. People love to support success. Very few support the process. And that's okay because your dreams doesn't need everybody's approval. It only needs you to show up consistently, day after day,